Oh, we've got a good looking Dodge Challenger. This is a 1972 Rallye that took the place of the RT. Love the strobe stripes. The fit and finish on this car is amazing. It has a number matched 340 motor under the hood, power steering, power disc brakes. And I'm going to take you through this car and show you what a gem it really is. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions. There's 200 cars to look at. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. If you scan the QR code on your screen, it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Supposedly, the gentleman spent $90,000 on this car. Fit and finish is as good as our best car. The bulged hood and all of this here is absolutely straight, smooth, and shiny. I don't see a dimple or a divot or a crack or anything. All of this is fantastic. All the lines are right on the money, smooth, even underneath the rockers, smooth and clean, has the sport mirrors. And you'll be amazed at how these doors shut. Look at the jambs. This whole car must have been apart when it was painted. They did it really right. It shuts like a new car. Quarter panels, the lines, everything's clean, straight, smooth. Again, I'm not seeing any issue. Even if you're fussy, a professional body and paint man, you're going to look at this and say, this is really nice. All clean, straight, lining up real good. Look how the bumper fits the body. Look at the lines around the quarter panels here, all nice, smooth, uniform. Door sticks out a little bit on the bottom corner, and there is a chip on the edge of the door. But again, look how clean the jambs are. The bottom lip on the bottom of the door there, all nice. Now that shuts like a new car. And this is the factory color. I forget the name of the yellow, but it's the original color to the car. And again, I love those strobe stripe decals. The marker lenses look nice. The 344 barrel emblem looks new. It has turn signals on top of the fenders. Emblems look real good. The bumper looks like it's fresh chrome. Everything up here is looking real nice. The bezels are shiny. I just realized all the glass is replaced. I just rolled up all the windows. They're all crystal clear and they roll up real nice and smooth. All this stainless trim is polished and straight. The vinyl top is excellent. There's no bumps or anything like that. And again, everything fits nice. There's no trim that's loose or not right. It all fits real good. These are new 15-inch reproduction Rallye wheels with BF Goodrich tires. They're a little bit extra wide in the back. Got some nice fat meaty tires on there. Gives it just that right muscle car stance. The rear marker lenses are new. The bumper's all re-chromed. Has the correct tips coming out through the valance. Has the blacked out rear panel looking really good. And again, all this is clean and sharp. The glass is new. Really, really nice looking car. High quality. Let's see if the inside lives up to the outside. So the fit and finish is truly exceptional on this car, folks. I look at a lot of cars, and this is very nice. Trunk opens nice. Under here is all painted real nice. Got the sticker. The jam is slick as the car. The weather strip is replaced. Inside is all clean metal, painted yellow as a reproduction matte. Yep, looking good. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Yeah, vinyl top's nice. The jams are exceptionally nice. Weather strips were replaced and they fit real well. Door panels in excellent shape. The wood grain, the armrest, all of that looks to be excellent. The dash pad has been replaced. It's like brand new. It's real nice. And it has the 3 speakers, the outer ones and the middle ones. And this has a Rallye dash. And actually, it's a factory air-conditioned car. It's no longer under the hood, but it is an air car. The Rallye dash has 150 mile an hour speedo. 1,245 miles since the car has been done. Has a tachometer, the gauges, and a clock. Has an AM/FM radio. That's why the extra speakers in the dash. And here's the air conditioning vents built in. Again, it's a factory error car. If you ever wanted to get that working, I guess you're one step ahead of the game here. Glove box is clean, has the manual, the light works in here. Kick panels, carpet, all that's really nice and tidy. Center console's excellent. Actually, it looks like new. All the chrome, this is not pitted up. The slapstick handle looks really good. I can tell you the seats have been rebuilt. The cushions are nice and firm, and the upholstery fits really nice and snug. Even the seat back. Yeah, this is nicer than most. You might see them online and they look as good as this. This one's nicer, I can tell you. The rear seat's all upholstered. The side panels are excellent. The rear shelf and all the trim around the back windows all looking really good. Headliner's been replaced. Has working dome light. Full set of seat belts. Looks like an original mirror. Steering wheel is not worn at all. Still has the bumpies all around it and around the rim. So yeah, super nice, clean, tidy. I asked the question, let's see if the interior lives up to the exterior. Well, it does, in and out. It's a nice car. And it's an affordable car in today's day and age, too. This is ready to go to car shows, ready to go cruising, and you don't have to get a mortgage on your house. So that is the numbers match 340 engine with upgrades. It has some aluminum Edelbrock heads, aluminum intake. Got an Edelbrock 4-barrel under there with electric choke. The ignition system all looks clean and proper. Look how all the components look fresh. Nice chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Does have a set of coated headers. The whole engine bay is painted. Yeah, here's the lines where the AC would go in. So inside the car should all be there. You'd have to install parts out here, and I would get like a vintage air or classic auto air modern system if you were to do it. But again, all painted beautifully. Has the washer fluid bottle. The squirters are hooked up. Chrome alternator. The shroud, the horns, the radiator, the clutch fan. All looking good. Has power steering down there. Battery secured properly. Has power brakes. Again, look how the cowl's finished off. The VIN numbers on the cowl matches the car, and the vent, the rubber all looks real nice. Under here is all painted. The rubber is replaced. So Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, this is a really cool car here. It's got a performance built 340 under the hood. Lots of nice upgrades on the engine. Very easy to use with the 727 torque plate automatic. Interior feels great. These high back buckets are where it's at. Exhaust is got such a nice rumble to it. All right, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. I just eased into it, barely in the pedal there, and yeah, very responsive, very quick car. Feels great. The suspension's nice and tight. You can tell when you go over the cracks in the road. No rattles, no nothing like that. Let's see how straight she goes down the road. Really nice setup all the way around. Sorry, we're just slowing down for a little traffic here. But yeah, I'd encourage you to come down, take a test drive. You're going to like what you see, you're going to like what you feel, and start by contacting our sales department and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath the car is very clean, well sorted, solid. Looks like all the suspension and steering's been rebuilt, even in back, the springs, the bushings, has gas shocks all the way around. Disc brakes in front, drum in back, e-brake is all hooked up. Nice exhaust, you got them coated headers going into a nice exhaust with a crossover pipe, super flow mufflers. Remember, it's got those square tips coming out the back. That door shuts as good as any Mopar I've ever shut the door on. Rock solid floors, frame rails. They have a nice undercoat on there, all fresh looking, black. Looking up at the motor, it's real clean. The matching VIN numbers down by the oil pan. Has the 727 torque flight. Automatic trans, 8 3/4 rear end with 355 sure grip gears. So just a whole package here. What a nice car. Again, ready to go cruising, get ice cream, ready to go to any car show. It's that nice. Go to volocars.com. You can talk to the salesman. They can answer your questions like how to get your Rallye Challenger delivered home, financing, insurance. They'll help with all that. Thanks for watching.